Yeah, we need to. It's getting bigger. Wow. Now smaller. Wow, look at how small now, ate. Eh? It's like fireworks. Oh my god, look how big is that? Hi! Oh, what is this? What is Daddy doing? Oh, you can drive a car? Look at Aaron. Where's your car, Aaron? Which one is your car? Oh, that's yours, blue? They can generate power by cycling this one. This is so much fun here. This is very nice today.
Here's what happens when you don't when you turn the TV off. Look, you turn the TV on. Watch. Then you turn the cable box on. Then you turn the computer on. Then you turn. Look, water heater. Look at water heater. Look.
Oh my god! Where's Aaron? A map? Oh, a map.
New Jersey. Look here. Yeah, look. Look there. Look. Look there. Look.
Plasma power. What did you do? Oh my god, how did you do that? How did you do that after turning that one? Oh, okay.
Tidal power.
Tidal power.
Turn this way. Look this way. Look. What happens if it starts leaking?
Then they will get flood. Hydropower. What is that for, ate? It's a solar power.
Are they working the robot? Who's working it?
No, it's broken. It doesn't sound it. It just looks, I don't know.
Where is it? Oh, here. You can open it. Look at this, amazing. If you turn it, it will change color.
Look. Oh, look.
Purple,
Look
blue,
at how dark the blue is.
black, sky blue,
Oh, look, black.
white, green, green. Wow, good job, ate. How is it? Is it good? We look at sa mommy, babe. Where's Aaron? I can't see Aaron. Hi. Yee! Ate, look here. Yee! Yee! Yee!
I don't hear nothing.
I think it's done. Hi guys! Pixar movie. Hi guys. I'm turning it on.
It'd be cool to
How,
have
how,
this in your
how did this? Yep.
house. Right?
Yeah. Play. Give. Click play.
What's the difference between motion and light? What's the difference between this mechanical slab and this one? Define it. What's the difference between motion and light? What's the difference between this one?
Hey, look, come here. Yeah, look at the model. There's an head. Here, come here, Ab.
Oh wow, you can do your own.
Yeah, look. Come in. Where's his head? Doing.
Okay. Go ahead.
Ready?
Oh. Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's you personal combination.
Then it is scanned on a scanner into the computer, and then it goes to a digital model and really figures out the content. This process involves
Get here in the back. Get here. Go go.
Wrap a present, look.
What?
Wrap a present, look.
Oh, okay.
Here. How do you, like that? No, how do you do that?
Right?
Oh, okay, how do you get the stick? Okay, done.
How about Christmas?
Ta-da.
Yeah, you can
Oh, look, I did
change
it.
the wrap. Oh yeah, you did it. Good job.
That's not, look, here, look, watch. Look at the eyebrow, okay? Look. How you gonna do it? Like that? Go with the right eye now. Look. Pupil.
Look how amazing. You can change the eye. Look. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. This one outside upper eyelid.
No, Mom, Daddy has one.
Okay. You can change the color lang. Yellow, blue, red. And you can do this. And that. Wow.
Ah, peekaboo. Look, peekaboo.
Reading. Look at this. Robot, look, baby. The robot. What is this here? Sets and cameras.
Up, down, all around.
Mom, Mom, what does this say?
It says lamp brightness.
It's bright. Now what is this?
This is sunlight brightness. Oh, wow. What is it?
Mom, this
What's in there?
Mom.
Oh my god, it's a big TV.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, are you the operator, baby? Nice. Baby bus.
Inside, put your head in. Look, peekaboo, look. Oh, go to the next one. Oh, you can't. Can you get the end?
Put me there.
Here, what do you got, Mike?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What are you doing there, ate? Oh, look. You see daddy? Yeah. Daddy's in the camera. That's so cool. Nag-jogging si Aaron. Look. Oh, Aaron changed it.
Dad!
Dad.
You can't get that open. Yeah, good picture. Yay! Da, 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 da. Go fast. Look.
Yeah. That is so cool.
Okay. Hold on. This is the low quality model. Here's the medium quality. And then this is the one they probably use, the high quality part. Remember, they use different ones. Look at the high quality part. These are the different ones. Low complexity, medium.
I like it one. No, Daddy, don't touch it. I want it. Don't calm it down.
Hand sanitizer.
We go now?
Yeah.
Hand sanitizer. Exit. Thank you. Hi, Aaron. Hi, baby. Oh, what are you playing here? Let me see. Gaga. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Harder.
I now use more electricity than I generate.
What is this, baby? Can you run the nuclear power plant? Start. Oh, look, Aaron. Look, Aaron, look. Oh, you can turn it? Wow. Keep turning, baby, keep turning. Good job, baby. Good job. Wow, look at that.
Margarita time. Look at the blender.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Cake and pedal. Grabe.
Yeah, come on, have next thing. Look at the fish. Oh my God.
Where? Oh, look at how big is the fish. Look. Wow. You see that? Where? Wow. Look at it.
There's two
Oh
babies.
my God.
For dinner.
What is that? A papano?
For dinner.
Mom, wait a minute, Mom.
Yes,
There's
babe, what is it? What?
There's different animals in there.
Where?
Look.
So here's how say hi.
Hi. Hi.
What is that?
Pretty much like that.
Abby, let's go. Oh, wow. Look, baby, look here. What is that?
A diamondback terrapin. That's not a turtle, it's a terrapin.
Oh, okay. Oh, that walks so fast.
It doesn't walk like a turtle.
Yeah, it's like a cheetah. Oh, look. Hello, friends. Nice. Again? You're back here again?
This is the port of Newark. Everything from around the world comes to Newark. Newark, even look, Asia,
Oh, look,
Taiwan,
Philippines also
Philippines,
here.
China,
Wow.
Ecuador, Brazil. It all comes here, and then from here it goes to the rest of the United States.
Oh, wow. That's cool. What? Oh my God, another fish? Wow. Oh, this looks like tilapia here. Is it tilapia? Look, a giant tilapia.
It's good to eat. Yes.
Yeah.
What is this, Aaron? Look, what is this one? What is this? Look, what is that?
Fish.
There.
Sea star, sea star. It's a sea star. Wow, look at the view here. What a nice picture here. Maybe someone can take picture for us.
There's
Wow.
a Statue of Liberty, though. This is the Liberty Science Center. Where's that statue? Oh, there she is.
Wow.
Over there.
Okay.
Look.
Okay.
I was on that somebody.
What are you supposed to do now? I don't know what supposed to do. Here, look. Here, let Aaron do this. Here, come here. Here, hold on. Oh, don't drop.
Giant drone here. Okay. Oh, it's a Kitty Hawk flyer. Look. Wow. I think when you press it, it will change color. I don't know.
What's the change color? What's the change?
Turn it.
Oh, it's
You need to turn to change color. Oh, wow.
Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Wow.
Rubik's Cubes. Look, here it is being built. This is the inventor of it.
Oh, okay. Wow. How long? 3 hours they did that?
Here, you see? Push it in, push.
Oh. Juice. What juice is that? Oh, milk.
That trays or no tray?
Pasta. Yeah. We're going to go pasta. Pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Wow. I need my drinks.
no.
Pizza.
Mom, Papa, give mommy.
Okay, baby. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Look at this. Maybe go outside.
Birthday, Daddy. Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Daddy.
Oh, we're having lunch here.